Welcome to SilverLeaf, the newest master plan community in Cedar Creek, Texas. It's located conveniently between Austin and Bastrop, Texas. So if you need to work in Austin, but you love the small town of Bastrop, this is exactly where you're going to want to be. Today, we're going to go through all three of the home builders. We're going to show you the plans that they have for the future, and then you can decide for yourself whether or not you want to see it in person. Come take a look. Like I said before, SilverLeaf is the newest master plan community in Cedar Creek, Texas. The vision for this neighborhood is new homes, larger home sites, and a preserved outdoor space. The biggest advantage in this neighborhood is the location, of course, but also the variety of builders. It's going to have exactly what you're looking for. Most move-up buyers are not simply looking for mere square footage. They're looking for a customizable floor plan where they can put in that game room, they can put in a home office, another family room, and that's what's awesome about SilverLeaf. All three of these builders, they'll let you customize. And as we tour these homes, those are the features that I would be paying attention to if I were you. Location is, of course, one of SilverLeaf's other biggest selling points. It would be very convenient if you or both of you commuted to Austin every day, the airport, Tesla. It's in a very convenient spot. However, I never judge a commute just by the mileage alone. You need to make this drive before you actually make the move. Another major part of SilverLeaf's appeal is the lifestyle planned in this community. If you've been in the colony, you're going to recognize some of that similar type as going to be in SilverLeaf. There's going to be resort-style amenities, a resort-style pool. There's going to be a school in the neighborhood. It's going to have everything you need for that perfect suburban lifestyle. Because SilverLeaf is still being developed, what you need to do and what I'll do for you is make sure these amenities that you're looking for are actually still coming. Because SilverLeaf is still under development, plans can change at any time, which means you need to make sure, and what I'll do for you is make sure that the amenities that you're looking for are still coming to the community, and if they're certified plans or not certified, because that's going to be the difference between if it is actually coming or not. Things can change at any time when things are still under development. SilverLeaf is going to give you three different builder options at the moment. You're going to have Taylor Morrison, Saratoga Homes, and Drees Custom Homes. Each builder is awesome because they give you different options and what you're looking for, so you can customize exactly what you and your family need. It's not all just a one-size-fits-all. First, we're going to check out Taylor Morrison, so come follow me around. One of the most important things about choosing a home that actually fits for you and your family is making sure the layout and the lifestyle actually makes sense. Like this, it'd be great for me because it's a home office. I don't know if it makes sense for you. Something like this would also be super convenient. A separate media room for family to hang out, a separate hangout if you're having a big event in there, or quiet space, maybe a kid playroom, who knows? And then this, the great room, where you have the living room and dining room combined. One thing I really like about this build is these super thick countertops. And this huge primary bedroom. And I love windows. Coming into the primary bathroom, you're gonna have separate sinks for you and your special someone, a soak tub, and a walk-in shower, along with a huge walk-in closet. Things for you to be thinking about whenever you actually go tour homes is, does the kitchen have enough space for you? Is the primary bedroom big enough for us? Do the secondary bedrooms actually fit your lifestyle and fit all of your kids' stuff? Is the living room functional for your family? Is the media room functional for your family? Is the office big enough? Are the built-ins good enough? These are all things that are running through my head when I go look at houses, and they should be running through your head too. This is Taylor Morrison's Mesa floor plan here at SilverLeaf. Right now, they are currently marketing 9 different floor plans, ranging from just above 2,000 square feet to over 3,000 square feet. Let's take a look around. Once again, to note these super thick, high quality countertops, and look at that gorgeous backsplash. One of my personal favorite things about this floor plan is the extremely large outdoor patio space, but also this crazy outdoor kitchen. Imagine having your family out here, putting some burgers on the grill and just having a good time. Another thing that makes Taylor Morrison so great is the customization and incentives they'll give you to work with. So if you want different countertops, you don't like those cabinets, things can be switched out and replaced. You can also use your budget for a better home site or incentives on the inside. You just never know until you ask. When you walk in and see that, your mind is just blown. If you're thinking about choosing Taylor Morrison, my information is in the link down below. So in the future episode, we're going to cover the inside of Saratoga. Today, we're just going to cover the outside. Looking at Saratoga from the exterior, I can note those gorgeous stone outlines here. Got great stucco on the exterior, and just look at those windows. Super high quality, plenty of them too. If you stand right here, you can see straight through the house. Pretty sweet if you ask me. Last but absolutely not least, we're going to tour Drees Homes today. And let me tell you, if you don't know about Drees Custom Homes, you're going to need to, and you're going to be wowed when we step into this house. Come take a look. Drees Custom Home really appeals to buyers who love that customization and real solid feel from their home with a great lookout for the future. When you walk into a Drees Custom Home, you're just hit with that wow factor. Everything from the 10-foot ceilings throughout, the wood beams, and it's in the name, Drees Custom Homes. It's all customizable. In here, you can see the great wood beam in here as well. Super tall ceilings, recessed lighting, built-in sound system. It's crazy. This isn't just a cabinet. Check this out. You have a full-blown walk-in pantry with countertop space. It's crazy. But that's not where the cabinet's in. Check this out. More countertop and cabinet space over here. If you love appliances, this house is for you. Over here, you have your laundry / mudroom with more cabinets and countertop space. Extending out this way, you don't just have one place to eat, you have two places to eat. So you have a designated dining area over here. You have a nice little corner office if you work from home. And back this way, you have your breakfast area or separate dining space and your living room, all in one convenient space. And it's great because it keeps the whole family together, exactly what you're looking for. Going outside, the first thing you're going to notice, of course, is this huge sliding screen door. Attached to an extremely oversized outdoor patio, which is covered with stone accents and a built-in fireplace. And something else that separates Drees from all the rest is they are the only builder on 80-foot lots. That's crazy. So much space in a neighborhood. And half their lots sit directly on the greenbelt. Leading into the primary, I'm gonna just let it speak for itself because it's crazy. You have huge sinks for both you and your significant other, and a shower, a walk-in shower, stone accents, dual doors on either side. Coming into the bedroom itself, the ceilings get even taller, and the view is outstanding. Imagine you and your family in this. That view could be custom to yours. With half of the sites sitting on a greenbelt, that view would be a beautiful green space. Another thing to note about Drees Custom Homes and this floor plan specifically is this floor plan, all 4 bedrooms have their own ensuite bathroom. You don't see that anymore. And they don't skimp out on the secondary bedrooms or their bathrooms either. Watching this video and you're thinking, wow, I can really see myself and my family living in a Drees Custom Home. My information is in the link down below. SilverLeaf may be a good fit for you and your family if you're looking for a great suburban lifestyle with customizable homes in the greater Austin area. If you're looking for proximity to the airport, to Tesla, SpaceX, SilverLeaf might be the perfect fit. After touring all three of these builders, these are the ways that I would describe them in one short sentence. Together, Morrison appears to offer variety and practical family layouts. Drees focuses most on personalization, high quality, dream home sites, and long-term functionality. Saratoga stands out through their exterior design and best bang for your buck. My early impression of SilverLeaf is that it might be the no-brainer move-up community between Austin and Bastrop. You have multiple homes to choose from, multiple builders to choose from, and really convenient access to Highway 71. But because this community is so new, all of the little details matter. Are the amenities actually functional for you and your family? Is the commute actually doable? I wouldn't just choose a home based on the model you walk through. You need to consider all of these factors, and that's where I come in. We would compare the exact home site, the HOA, the functionality, the amenities, and make sure it actually is a good fit for you and your family. So if you and your family are considering moving to SilverLeaf or the greater Austin, greater Bastrop area, reach out before going to tour these homes. I'll help you compare Taylor Morrison, Drees, Saratoga, and see which one actually fits your lifestyle. My contact information is down below, and there's a link where you can reach out directly to me and let me know exactly what you're looking for. And before you go, leave a comment. Tell me which builder you like the most. Tell me what functionalities you're looking for in a property. And last but not least, please subscribe for more videos like this and more neighborhood tours. I'll see you in the next video.